Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Dhani and my NPM is 150, and welcome to this presentation on teaching adverbs through the direct method. Today we will explore effective strategy for introducing adverb to students, emphasizing the importance of context and interaction. The direct method focused on immersion and practical usage, making language learning a dynamic and engaging experience. Okay, for the first, the explanation of adverbs. Adverbs are words that modify verbs, adjective, or other adverbs. They provide additional information about how, when, where, or to what extent an action is performed. Adverbs can describe, like, for the first, manner, how something is done. For example, quickly, slowly. And next is time, when something happens. For example, now, yesterday. And next is place, where something happened. For example, here, there. And next is frequency, how often something happens. For example, always and sometimes. And the last, degree, to what extent something is done. And for example, very and quiet. Okay, next is for example. And the first, she runs quickly. And for the quickly is manner. And next, I will call you tomorrow. And for the tomorrow, there is for time. And the last example, the cat is sleeping here. And here is that place. Okay, next is for the example exercise. For the number one, you have to identify that verb. And first, she sings beautifully. And the right answer for the adverb is beautifully. And the second sentence, they will arrive soon. And for this sentence, the adverb is soon. Okay, the last sentence is he is always happy. And for this sentence, the adverb is always. Okay, next, number two, you have to fill in the blanks, choose the correct adverb from the option provided. And for the number one, she completed the task quickly or quick. You have to choose. And the right answer is quickly. And the second sentence, we will meet. You have to choose later or late. And for the right answer is later. And the last sentence, he runs faster or fast than his brother. You have to choose the right question. Okay, the right question is faster. Okay, here's the last example exercise. And you have to create your own sentence in here. Write the sentence using each type of adverb. For the first is manner, second is time, next is place, next is frequency, and for the last is degree. Okay, my answer is for the manner, the sentence is she danced gracefully. And for the time, I will visit you next week. And next, for the place, the dog is playing outside. And next, for the frequency, I often read books. And last, for the degree, he is very talented. Okay, next is strategies for teaching adverbs. When introducing adverbs using the direct method, consider the following strategies. For the first, contextual example. Use sentences that illustrate adverbs in action, such as he speaks softly, and next, role-playing. Engage students in role-playing activity where they must use adverb in context. And next is visual aids. Incorporate pictures or video that depict action, prompting students to describe them using adverbs. And the last is games. Use interactive games that require students to identify and use adverb in sentence. Okay, next is evaluating students. Assessing students in understanding of adverbs can be done through, for the first, oral quizzes. Ask students to use adverb in sentence during speaking activity. And next, written exercises. Assign short writing tests where students must incorporate adverbs effectively. And next is peer review. Have students review each other's works, focusing on the correct use of adverbs. And for the last is interactive games. Use online quizzes or games that test students' knowledge of adverbs in a fun way. Okay, finally for the conclusion, using the direct method to teach adverb allows students to engage with the material actively. By providing clear explanation, demonstration, and opportunity for practice, students can develop a strong understanding of how to use adverb effectively in their writing and speaking. Okay, that's all for my presentation about teaching adverbs by using direct method. I hope you get understanding better from the explanation and from the example exercise and the order. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.